See and hear the shooter. Davis was killed at a gas station parking lot after an argument over loud music some 14 months ago. Good evening, everybody. I'm Shannon Ogden.
And I'm Heather Crawford. Michael Dunn's attorney told the court it was a desperate act of self-defense, but the state says it was murder. Keitha Nelson is live tonight at the courthouse to show you what the jury heard today.
It was certainly an intense day inside of the courtroom today. We heard opening statements from both the defense and prosecution. Also, several witnesses took the stand. But one of the most powerful aspects of today's trial, one legal analyst says, was when the surveillance video was shown inside of the courtroom to jurors of the night Jordan Davis was shot and killed.
Very, very dramatic.
First Coast News legal analyst A. Wellington Barlow responding to this. Surveillance video from inside of the Gate gas station where just outside, police say several shots were fired into a car filled with 4 teenagers. One of them, 17-year-old Jordan Davis, shot and killed by this man, Michael Dunn, who claims it was self-defense.
Very, very dramatic, and even the defendant himself responded in a way, and when I saw him respond that way, I said, well, he might have been inebriated that night, because now he's responding in a way that the average person would respond, yet he was the one pulling the trigger that night.
A total of 7 witnesses took the stand in day 1 of the murder trial, each giving their account of what happened on November 23rd of 2012. Loud music leading to a confrontation that turned deadly. The big question jurors will have to decide, did Michael Dunn act reasonably based on the facts of what happened that night?
The defendant rolled down his window again and said, "Are you talking to me?" And Jordan Davis looked at him and said, "Yeah, I'm talking to you." And then the defendant said, "You're not going to talk to me like that."
Despite police finding no evidence of a weapon in the Durango Davis rode in, defense attorney Corey Strolla insists Dunn was protecting himself.
You know who didn't duck? Jordan Davis. You know why he didn't duck? Because he was getting out of the car with a weapon. After telling Michael Dunn, "You're dead. This is going down now."
Now, even though police were not able to find a weapon inside of the car or in the area, the defense argues that the area was not searched until days later. So the jury has a very difficult task ahead of them. Reporting live at the courthouse in downtown, I'm Keitha Nelson, NBC 12, ABC 25.
Keitha, thank you. And tonight we are hearing from the attorney who represents Jordan Davis's parents about just how emotional today was for them. Lucia McBath and Ron Davis were in the courtroom today listening to those opening statements, and witnesses testify about what they say happened the night their son was shot to death. Attorney John Phillips says they are reliving the worst day of their lives, but doing it with the same resolve they have taken to the U.S. Capitol and state Capitol in their effort to get gun laws changed.
It was shocking for them to hear the bullets, but they had been mentally prepared for it, and it's going to happen again with other stuff that we're going to try to walk them out of the courtroom.
Phillips says Davis's father is on the witness list and has given a deposition. Phillips also represents 2 of the 3 boys in the car with Davis the night he was shot to death. They are expected to take the stand as early as tomorrow. And we've posted highlights from opening statements on our website so you can hear them firsthand. The defense and the prosecution reveal their version of the events the night of the shooting. That's online right now at firstcoastnews.com.